Raymond and Venus, ito na yung pinakahihintay ninyo, ang araw ng inyong kasal. Huwag niyong kalimutan ang araw na ito, April 18. Nandito kayo dahil lahat ng ito ay nasa plano ng Diyos.
Almost 3 years ago, I wasn't searching for love or anything else. But then, you came into my life unexpectedly. And from the moment that I met you, I was already mesmerized and fascinated by your unwavering kindness. You are the most amazing person I've ever met.
Sana ma-appreciate mo ito. Alam kong hindi ito ang linyahan ng hilig mo, pero alam kong magagamit mo rin ito. It will serve its purpose, not now but very soon. Happy 18th anniversary and first day of being official and legal couple this 18th day of April 2024. Your forever masungit na bebe, Sir Pogi Ellie. Wow.
With each step you take in these shoes, may you feel the strength of my love supporting you every step of the way. Just as these shoes embraces your feet, my heart embraces you too. I love you so much, Sir Pogi. Love, Venus. Thank you for running into my life. Ay, hindi naman ako tumakbo ah.
Lumipad. Kayong dalawa ay pinagtagpo. Kayong dalawa ay tinadhana. Kayong dalawa ngayon ay pinagkaisang dibdib ng Panginoon. Raymond and Venus, isa lang ang pinakasalan ninyo, isa lang ang mamahalin ninyo, isa lang ang pakikisamahan ninyo habang kayo ay nabubuhay sa mundong ito. Maging tapat kayo sa isa't isa.
Sabi nga nila, kapag tama na ang panahon, ipagkakaloob din ng Diyos ang taong hinihiling mo. And I am proud to say, nasa harap ko na ang hinihiling ko, o ang hiniling ko. Ikaw ang inilaan para sa akin dahil nakita niya na deserve kita at deserve mo rin ako.
I still can't believe that I am marrying you now, Mr. Marsan. Napakaswerte mo, ako ang mapapangasawa mo. Pero mas maswerte ako dahil ikaw ang magiging kabiyak ko. And no matter what life throws us ahead, I will always be there for you. Above all, I promise to love you faithfully with all that I am and for all that we will become. I love you always and forever, Raymundo.
I'll always be with you.
Of our loved ones and who are dearest to us, surrounded by the beauty of this moment, and of course with God's grace, I pledge to be your lifetime partner, your confidant, and your greatest OBR in all of the ventures that lie ahead.